is to help students practice self-management by regulating emotions, staying focused, and using problem-solving strategies in a challenging situation. So the scenario description, the group is working on building a goal structure using only marshmallows and toothpicks during a class competition. Halfway through, the structure collapsed and they felt frustrated and discouraged. You're tempted to give up and lash out at your teammates, but the group is counting on you to stay calm and then rebel. Okay, lights, camera, action.